real cost of 3000 grafts hair transplant price and time breakdown. Many people comment on our videos या hospital में आके जब consultation करते हैं तब बात करते हैं डॉक्टर what is the price of 3000 grafts hair transplant. कुछ clinics हमें 40,000 बताते हैं, कुछ हमें 150 तक बताते हैं, कुछ और ज्यादा बताते हैं. Then what is the actual price of it? See, it is very important for you to understand that the price of any service depends upon how much skill is involved, who is offering that skill for you, what are the different steps involved, and what are the tools and equipments involved in it. Therefore, the price of hair transplant depends on a number of factors. By the end of the video, you will be able to understand the realistic cost of it, also time involved in various steps of these many grafts of hair transplant, involving a real patient who has undergone this 3000 grafts hair transplant. So you see, 3000 grafts is not just a number. Behind it involves a number of different calculations, trichoscopy, donor area, realistic recipient area marking, graft paper marking, deciding how many grafts are needed, the hairline designing, whether temple points are needed or not, what is the density we have to keep, and a number of other things which involve long-term planning treatment. So in this video, we will discuss all the aspects in detail. Now, what does 3000 grafts transplant actually mean? एक graft में जरूरी नहीं है कि एक ही hair हो, 1 to 4 hairs तक हो सकते हैं. On an average, 2.1 hairs माने गए हैं. So, if there is a 3000 grafts hair transplant, then on an average 6000 to 8000 hairs transplant होते हैं. इतने grafts में usually हम hairline, front of the scalp, temples and a bit of top of scalp cover कर पाते हैं. Temples हर patient के नहीं बनाने होते. Usually 50% of the patients want their temples to be remade. Otherwise, we plan not to rebuild the temples. 3000 grafts usually stage 3 to 4 में use होते हैं. अब इसमें एक क्वेश्चन बनता है, क्या आपको पता है आपको कितने ग्राफ्ट्स चाहिए हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट करने में? अगर नहीं पता है और आप हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट कराना चाहते हैं तो आप सारस्वत हॉस्पिटल के ऐप में पीक एआई फीचर का यूज कर सकते हैं. कैसे? ये डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको डेफिनेटली मिलेगा. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I am an American board certified hair transplant surgeon working at Saraswat Hospital, Agra. For many more such science-packed solutions, educational videos, patient testimonials, you need to subscribe our channel. Let us now divide the 3000 graft, the day of surgery, into different time frames. हमें किस चीज में कितना टाइम लगेगा? दो हमने पहले आपका हेयरलाइन डिजाइन किया हुआ है, but on the day of surgery, we need to recreate your hairline with your proper consent and a bit of consultation also. So this will take around 15 minutes to half an hour minimum. Next, the preparation, जिसमें आपका local anesthesia and medicine का sensitivity included है, shaving of the head, everything will take around 1 hour. Next comes when you come to the OT and we start doing your surgery. Then सबसे पहले हम local anesthesia ring shape में देंगे. उसमें around 10 to 15 minutes लगते हैं. Then we wait for 8 to 10 minutes for the effect of local anesthesia to be maximum, putting tumescence in between. Next, we make pre-made slits, जिसमें angle, direction, density, we decide कि आपके hair कैसे निकलेंगे. तो वो slits जब हम बनाते हैं, उसमें around 3000 grafts में around 45 minutes जैसे हमको लगेंगे. Now we come to the part of graft extraction, when we want you to lie down prone, and then on the donor side, we extract the grafts by FUE method. This will take around 2 to 2.5 hours. After that, we give you a lunch break, and then we pull you back. You lie down properly in a prone position, lying down position, watching TV, anything. Then we put your grafts, which have already been segregated in the time in between by our staff as 1 hair, 2 hair, 3 hair grafts, depending upon their chubbiness, the diameter of individual hair, because सबसे महीन वाले बाल हमको सबसे आगे लगाने हैं. तो artistically hair put करने के लिए हम उनको segregate कर लेते हैं, and then we start putting the grafts in the pre-made slits. This will take another 2 to 2.5 hours. So total surgery duration takes the full day, and so by the end of the day you are ready to go back. We'll give you your bag of medication. We'll make you understand how to wet your hair, how to take medication, what not to do and what to do, so that you are clear regarding how you have to take care of your head in the next 3 days, because we call you for shampooing after 3 days. अगर आपका कोई question है, you can write down in the comment section below. So average cost in India regarding hair transplant transplant in a budget clinic could be around 20 to 25 rupees per graft. In a standard clinic, 50 to 70 rupees per graft. Then if there is a very premium setup, it could be anywhere between 70 to 120 rupees per graft. Hair transplant cost is varying. Why? Because it includes a number of factors. For example, surgeon's expertise, surgical team, clinic facilities, safety protocols, graft handling, and what is the survival rate for that clinic, which technology is used, which type of FUE machine is used, what other equipments are being used, whether they are locally made or they are standardized from very good companies. So typical Indian cost range could be around 20 to 120 rupees per graft, as I just said. Here at Saraswat Hospital, because we are a premium setup, depending upon various factors, your fees could be anywhere around 1,20,000 to 2,50,000. इम्पोर्टेंट चीज समझने की ये है कि अगर कोई एक्सट्रीम कॉस्ट कटिंग करता है तो वो आपके टूल्स पे रिफ्लेक्ट होता है, वेरियस सेफ्टी रिस्क पे रिफ्लेक्ट करता है, बिकॉज फिर कॉर्नर्स कट किए जाते हैं. सो वी हैव टू बी बिवेयर. इफ यू फाइंड दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन वैल्यूएबल, प्लीज लाइक दिस वीडियो. तो आप देखिए, हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट एक आर्टिस्टिक सर्जरी है, कमोडिटी नहीं है. नाउ यू कैन सी अ रियल पेशेंट रिजल्ट टाइमलाइन. सी हाउ इज ही एट द टाइम ऑफ सर्जरी, बिकॉज उनमें हमें लगभग 2900 ग्राफ्ट्स हमने यूज किए. To be very precise, 2960 grafts. So now you see him on the day of surgery. First month mein hair shedding was normal. In 3 to 4 months, the hair started coming out and we could see a different blackness on the scalp where we had put grafts. And in 9 to 12 months mein, final results are visible. So we need to be patient with patience if we want good results. If you want to have a hair transplant consultation with us, you can WhatsApp us or you can send your pictures on the numbers below so that we can talk to you. Common mistakes जो patient करते हैं, they do not see the credentials of the doctor, the skill set of the doctor, team की क्या credentials हैं. कोई team ऐसी तो नहीं है जो जगह जगह जाके same team कर रही है. So हम cheap rates पे जाते हैं, but हम अच्छी चीजें नहीं देखते जो हमें clinic में देखनी चाहिए. Then hair transplant हमने कर तो लिया, but stabilize करने के लिए medication नहीं लिया, and post-op में हमने ज्यादा देखभाल नहीं की. So हम एक proper post-op care लिखित में patients को पूरा document बना के देते हैं कि आपको ऐसे केयर करनी है, आपको चोट नहीं लगने देना है अपने हेयर को. Initial 72 hours are very important. See, your primary hair transplant surgery is the most important hair transplant surgery because correction of a bad transplant is a difficult thing and it also puts a toll on your mental peace as well as your pocket. So you see 3000 grafts एक moderate baldness coverage जो कि usually front में और थोड़ा सा top में है, उसके लिए enough होता है. Surgery time usually 6 to 8 hours लगता है and cost varies on the expertise and various other factors which we just discussed. हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट डिसीजन एक इन्वेस्टमेंट है, इम्पल्सिव परचेज नहीं है. सो आप इस वीडियो को अपने फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स के साथ जरूर शेयर करें जो हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट कराना चाहते हैं. हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट मिथ्स वर्सेस रियलिटी, प्लीज क्लिक द लिंक ऑन द लेफ्ट, एंड 3000 grafts hair transplant, a case study, please click the link on the right.